The bob is bobbing. Look, as soon as somebody asks me a question, huh? Hey y'all, welcome to the Life of Tea. Whether you are new or returning, thank you for clicking on this video because you could have been somewhere else, but you decided to be here. I am looking a little rough because today's video will be a kind of like a how-to style or do a silk press blowout situation on a bob. I cut my hair, and I've talked about it on here before if you've watched any other videos. I cut my hair like back in August of 2023. So it's slowly growing, well, I wouldn't say slowly, but it is growing back, but it's still kind of short, like right here somewhere in the area. So I just want to do a little quick tutorial on how you can style short hair. Okay, so the first order of business is I'm going to wash my hair or shampoo, that's professional way. But I won't be doing it on camera because, I mean, y'all know how it works. However, the product that I will be using, all of the products I will be using in this video will be Design Essentials because their products are like super good. But this is the step. I got their silk blowout, blow dry, and silk press collection. So it's like step 1 through 4. So this is the first one. Y'all can see that. And so yeah, I'm going to shampoo my hair to hydrate and soften it, and then I'll come back and do the blow drying process, which is really the most important part of the whole process. I actually had lied. The next step is not blow drying. Of course, you have to use your conditioner. So the next step is step 2, which is to smooth and strengthen. This is the conditioner. It's not a leave-in conditioner. You do, is it focusing? There we go. You do need to rinse it out. So I'm going to put some of that in my hair. I just used a regular, do I still got soap in my head? Do I? It's hard to see up in here. Look like it's a little soap, y'all. Is it? Let me look at that because it is giving soap. Ooh, child. Be right back. I'm just going to part parts of my hair, put the conditioner on there, and like do a little plait just so I can get it out of the way. Pretty nice, simple, straightforward. Yeah, it's really nothing to this part, and I will probably leave it on for about 15 minutes or so. You can do as long as you want to, but sometimes I do longer. It just depends on if I got other stuff to do, and I do got other stuff to do. So I'm just not gonna have it on there long. And if you want, which most of the time I do, sit under the dryer with either a shower cap on, and if I don't have a shower cap, then I will use a grocery bag because you have to use what you gotta use. Oof, this stuff here is so thick. But yeah, instead of rambling, I will just speed this process up and y'all can just watch me do it.
It's pretty self-explanatory, but you take your conditioner and, you know, work it through your hair, making sure that you're coating it evenly. And I like to section mine after I've put conditioner in there, just so when I get under the hair dryer, I feel like all the heat gets to your hair evenly when you separate it. But the preference is totally up to you. This is just what I do, and it's easier to manage when it's been sectioned.
Okay, so we're all conditioned up. These not even really any plaits. Or a little bit. I didn't even go all the way down, and in the back is barely anything. But I just wanted to section my hair, and now I will be sitting under the dryer, like I said, about 15-20 minutes, and I will rinse out, and then it'll be time for the blow drying. Alrighty, y'all, so we are shampooed, conditioned. I've sectioned my hair because now we're about to get into the fun part and blow dry. I have a Revlon dryer, like a brush dryer type deal. I got it for my birthday last year, and it works pretty good. I mean, pretty nice, simple. It needs to be dusted a little bit because, you know, the more you do your hair, it be getting like a little dusty with product buildup and stuff. But it's still working really good. And now let's get into it and pray that my arms don't fall off, because blow drying is like my least favorite part, but it is the most important part, like I said. So let's get it. Oh yeah, I need to let y'all know what I'm using. So I'm shaking it up because it's kind of like the product will like separate in here. But anyway, this is step 3 for faster blow dry and heat guard. It's a blow dry and styling primer. So there is it. If it focuses, there we go. So there is, it's kind of a glare on there, but yeah. And I'll also list all the products in the description below, but I'm just gonna spray some of this on my hair and then blow dry each section.
What I love about this blow dryer is the convenience of it. There aren't any attachments that you got to worry about, and you don't have to worry about anything popping off like when you use a comb on your blow dryer. It's just literally easy to use and very convenient.
So there's the first little section. I always start with the back just because it's shorter and easy for me to do. But yeah, there's that, and I'm just going to continue to work my way all the way around until I am completely done and ready to use the flat iron. So I have the back blow dry and I pulled it back into like a little scrunchie just to get that section out of the way. And I'm about to work my way through the middle. Y'all, blow drying, I think I've already stated, is my least favorite part. It just takes so freaking long and I be over it. I'm gonna split this into another section because it's way too thick, and I'm gonna just blow dry this part. And yeah, since my hair has been shorter, like I just feel like it's only gotten thicker and it'd be even harder to blow dry. Like I don't know what's going on, but I don't like nothing about it. I don't like blow drying whatsoever, but just gonna continue to, you know, work my way through it. I don't really have any blow drying tips besides getting it as, you know, straight as possible so it makes the flat iron process even, you know, even better, I guess you could say that. But yeah, just get it as straight as possible, going over it as multiple times as you need to, and always use a heat protectant because you are putting heat on your hair and you don't want to damage your curls if you're a natural hair girly like me, or sometimes people don't even care and don't mind heat damage. But make sure you're always using some type of protectant, which is why I am using this. It's a heat guard. But yeah, the blow dryer be getting super high and we don't got time for no hair damage.
Like I mentioned earlier, you basically just want to get it as straight as possible. I was really worried about my roots because that's would be the thickest, but once you conquer that, you're good.
Ooh, Lord. As y'all can see, I got my Apple Watch on. In part of the video, I didn't have it on, but I had to put it back on because blow drying your hair is a freaking workout. Anyway, so this is it. I know it looks like I have a lot of hair, but trust and believe, she's very much still giving bob, and my hair is still short. But it is super thick, so it kind of like makes it look like it's a lot or whatever. But anyway, you can still kind of see, ooh, it look rough on this camera, Lord. But you can still see where it's cut or whatever. I promise it's an even cut and it don't look as crazy as it look on here. But she's all blown out. And now it's time to get into the flat iron process, which is my second least favorite. But it's also the end, and that's the part that makes you look fine. So let's get into it. So I've already pulled out the back and pulled up the front part to get it out of the way. The last step in the design essentials products is the moisture sealant. It's a thermal protectant cream. Y'all, I love this stuff. Like, you see, it's almost gone. I love it. It like works so good. It gets your hair like super smooth. So I'm gonna, before I flat iron each section, I'm going to put some of this on there. And the little spout thing don't work, so I'll be having to take it off. And then I will go through it with my flat iron. I try not to do too many. It just depends on the section and how it feels, but I try not to do like too many run throughs or whatever, because you know, you don't want to fry your hair or whatever. I don't talk about my flat iron when you see it. I stole this from my mama because she is a hairstylist, or a retired hairstylist at this point. I don't even know where she got this thing from. It's fried and through, so I do need to do it, but it is what it is, and it still works. So it's called, it's by Conair. It's called a Nano. Y'all can see that, but baby, she done for. She done for. But it still works really good, like I said, and you can pretty much put your heat on whatever you want to put it on. I like to do 410, because 300, 350, they just don't do it for me. And as y'all can see, my hair is super thick, so yeah, nobody got time for that. Alrighty, this black background, I don't know if it's because of the light that I can't see, or this black background is not really good, but I don't know if y'all can really see it. Anywho, I pray that y'all can. So you see the neck beat is having to stick out. The neck beat, y'all, because my hair's so short and I don't want I don't be trying to burn it back on my neck, so I be trying to pull it, y'all. Ooh. And then that's pretty much it. I promise my hair is okay. It may be a lot of smoke in here, but I promise it's fine. I have not experienced heat damage yet. As far as I know, curls still be bouncing. They still be there. So don't think that I'm over here burning up my hair. It may be because I'm in like an enclosed space, so it's nowhere for really the smoke to go. But it's fine. And I won't go over one more time. And I really didn't need to. But look at the sip, like, y'all. Okay, smoke. We get the point. Go stick these folks. Set my hair on fire. Anyway, look, it's so smooth, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait till y'all see the finishing part. Like, get into it.
For real, for real, for real, this smoke was trying to embarrass me. Like, I'm just trying to show y'all my little routine, and the smoke is all in the way. I guess it's because I tried something new and I was in a dark room trying to set the mood, trying to work with getting better content, but it didn't do nothing but have smoke everywhere, y'all. I'm so ashamed.
We rocking and rolling. We halfway there. Whew. This is when I start to get motivated, when I start to see it, y'all. I don't want to show too much because I want y'all to see the finishing reveal, but we're halfway there. When I come back, it's going to be the end. Y'all going to see, you know, the finishing results. So enjoy this. I don't know. I'll be back in a minute. I think the heat and the smoke started to get to my head. I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. But yeah, enjoy this fast forwarding. I don't even say that I'm gonna do a voiceover, music over, and yeah, I'll be back.
Now that I've made it to the front of my head, I just want to show y'all a little bit more how I do things. So I usually just take my comb to part it. I really need a good parting comb because this one right here, it really don't do the job. But since I'm just flat ironing it and not trying to define a part right now, it's kind of okay, but it's all right. And then I put some more of the serum on there. When I tell y'all, I really, 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 truly love this stuff. Like, it really helps to get your hair super straight without weighing it down, because I do not like oily products that make your hair super heavy. I remember back in the day when my mama used to do my hair, she would be slapping grease and all that type of oils and stuff on it. Like, dang. So when you're done with the flat iron process, hair be stuck and weighed down. No, I do not do that as an adult. I want my hair to have body yada yada, and that's what it be giving. Anyway, I am just basically, of course, starting at the root like everybody does, and I'm just running a comb through it just for extra straightness.
Get into it. The door bob is bobbing. Well, she ain't really door no more, but the bob is bobbing. Look, as soon as somebody asks me a question, y'all, every time I straighten my hair, as much as I love my curly hair, every time I straighten my hair, you can't tell me nothing. Like, even though it's in like an awkward stage where it's not like a super short bob and it's not long like it usually is, I'm loving it. All the hard work be worth it, y'all. Whew. I am going to wrap it because it's raining here in Dallas today. So I'm going to wrap it. It'll be wrapped the rest of the day. I need to find my little, hold on, y'all. This is what I was looking for. This one is all old and raggedy, but it's just a wig cap. This is what I'll be using to wrap my hair. Or once I wrap it, this is how I'll be keeping it all nice and, you know, protected. I use that, and then sometimes I will put my bonnet on as well. And then I also have silk sheets. Everything needs to be silk, y'all. Y'all be laying y'all heads on this cotton. Y'all be having scarves that's not cotton, that is cotton, that are cotton. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is you need to have silk, so that your hair is not rubbing up against stuff that it doesn't need to, and that it's not causing any type of friction. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap my hair. Other than that, that's it. I usually don't put heat on my hair in between the 2 weeks that, you know, I straighten it, and then the next time it's time for it to wash. If it gets a little bit frizzy, I'm okay with it. Maybe I'll find a picture and insert it somewhere on here. Like when it gets frizzy, because I have a bob, it still be giving cute. But if it gets too frizzy, then usually I'll pull it back in a claw clip or whatever. I can barely do that, but I can pull it back. Other than that, that's it. I hope y'all like this. Oh, let me show y'all the back, because I just want to show y'all the hair is growing. But this is the back. Body, baby, body is giving body. Anyway, I really hope that y'all did enjoy this video. Sometimes I feel like I don't really be doing hair tutorials like the rest of the girlies, but baby, you're gonna get the real raw and true over here. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell so you know when I'm posting the next video. One last little look. Chef's kiss. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.